Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to go over a comment that Elon Musk said about buying Tesla stock right now, right here at these levels. And we're going to go over some technical analysis to talk about where we think Tesla stock could be heading in the near future. So before we get into it, just remember, not a financial advisor. Make sure that you do your own research before investing in any stock. Subscribe to the channel if you enjoy our content. Hit the notification bell, that way YouTube can let you know every time we release new content. So let's go ahead and dive right on into this. The reports indicate that Tesla has recently granted its CEO Elon Musk 96 million shares as an incentive to maintain his focus on the company's future endeavors in areas like artificial intelligence, robotics, and autonomous vehicles. It's pretty sad that you gotta, it's almost like bribing the guy to kind of pay attention and stop screwing around with politics. While this highlights Musk's personal confidence in Tesla's future success and his desire for a larger stake in the company, it does not directly suggest a statement from him specifically advising individuals, this is on X, that purchasing 150,000 shares will guarantee becoming a millionaire. I don't think that's what he said. I think he said he said if you invest $150,000, then I think that's what he was getting at. It's about 400, almost 500 shares is pretty sure what he was saying. So, because yeah, that's what he was saying. So, because 150,000, if you do the math, 150,000 dollars divided by, I think it's at roughly about 308. It's about 487. Okay, 487 shares, and basically he's projecting Tesla's gonna, it could potentially probably 9x from here is what he's saying. So, not 9x, I'm sorry. It's not 9x. It'd be about a 7x. Okay, so what you're looking at here from 308 times that by 7, about $2,100. All right, Tesla's been there before. It can happen again. It's just going to take some time to do it. And this $300 mark right here, they were well over above that before the split happened. And so it's definitely possible, okay? But not everybody has $150,000 to invest in Tesla, okay? It's important to note that Tesla stock's prices experience fluctuations. Well, you're telling me, including a recent dip, and analysts hold different opinions on the future and its performance. Some view the stock as overvalued, while others see potential for significant returns, especially if the company successfully develops its full self-driving and robo-taxi technologies. Okay, interesting stuff there. So they're projecting, this kind of make it easy here. If you believe what he's saying, and you're like, I want to invest some money, it's going to 7x from here. It's pretty simple. Whatever your initial investment is, okay, whatever your initial investment is, let's say you're going to invest $5,000 into the company, and you times that by 7, so your investment's going to end up being worth $35,000. And so minus your 5,000, so you profit 30,000. That's a heck of a return, in my opinion. Okay, if it indeed does 7x, do I think it can? Absolutely, I do think it can if we can get our crap together and start moving. Okay, we got to take out 400 first, though. So with that being said, let's take a look at the charts and let's see what they're telling us. All right, guys, take a look at Tesla stock, ticker symbol TSLA, low of 208.56 on the 180-day 4-hour time frame, and a high roughly about 441. For some reason, it didn't even show up. It didn't even show what the high is. However, it is what it is. So right now we're currently at, we finished out at about 308. We're so close to crossing back over and having the golden cross breakout indicator, but man, so disappointing. This was earnings. This was earnings. We had broken out. We were starting to kind of make our little stair-step pattern to the upside, and then earnings came. Bam. All right. Started to make our little recovery, and then bam. So I'm hoping we can finally get past all the nonsense, and we can get up there. We got to get above 325 and hold. It'd be nice to go back and see like 341 again if we come back and do pull back. 324, maybe act as some support there, and potentially kind of keep on rocking and rolling. And I think if this thing can start moving and we can get closer to $400, it's going to get a lot of people's attention. Okay, so let's take a look at the longer term time frame dating back 2023 to today. All right, guys. So longer term time frame, dating back from 2023 January 1st to today, August the 5th, 2025. Your tip top is 488.54. Your low of 101.81, and that's going to update fairly soon. And then basically your low is going to be pretty spot on compatible to the 180-day 4-hour time frame. It'll be a little bit less than 208, but it's going to be not that far off. So the golden cross, man, we were above. It's you see how choppy this is. If we can recover here and start making our way, again, 324, 325 is your first level. 340. If we can get above 340 right here and actually hold it and continue to move, that's going to be a great sign longer term. And I think that we do target that 400 level, depending on the state of the market, depending on what Musk says, depending on what type of news comes out. But I mean, the next 3 to 6 months, maybe, is it unreasonable to say that Tesla can get to $400? I don't think so, considering how aggressive this thing can move whenever it does move. Okay, so as you see, this is October. Really right at the end of October, so pretty much the whole month, the month of November, December, we went from 240 to 488. So I don't think it's too unreasonable for 3 to 6 months us getting to $400. And I say that long of a time frame because I just don't know how it's going to react, what Musk is going to do on Twitter to influence the stock, and just don't know. So anyway, I did buy some more of the ETF on Tesla today. Every time it's down, just kind of nibbling, buying some more. And so at this point, yes, I am hoping that it continues, it holds where it's at and starts some movement in the upward direction. I think that once rates are cut, that's going to have a positive impact on the market just in general, and hopefully Tesla will follow suit. So let me know what you're doing with Tesla. Let me know your comments. Other than that, we'll catch you in the next one.